Hello, I'm here in the Asian store. Looking at the frozen steam buns, they're my favorite. I used to buy this a lot before. It's convenient, yummy, but expensive. So I'm not gonna buy that. Instead, make one from scratch that is more healthier and gut friendly. So I will show you and tell you my secret. Yes, even these Filipino favorites can be made healthier by just adding sourdough starter without losing its natural, yummy, comforting taste. Adding sourdough starter helps make Shiopao easier to digest and gentler on your gut, while keeping the same fluffy texture we love. And here's the dough recipe I tested. In a large bowl, add your flour, potato starch, sugar, salt, active sourdough starter, milk, and add more milk if the dough feels dry. Now mix everything together until it forms a rough dough. It doesn't need to be smooth yet. We're just getting everything combined. Add your softened butter. This makes the dough softer and gives it classic Shiopao tenderness. Knead for 5 to 6 minutes in a stand mixer until the dough becomes smooth and elastic. And here's our dough. It's not hard, but it feels so soft. Now let your dough ferment for about 6 hours. This is where the gut-friendly magic happens. During the fermentation, the good bacteria in your sourdough eat the starch and sugars, releasing enzymes that break down phytic acid, unlocking the flour's nutrients. Now while the dough is fermenting, let's cook the asado filling so it has time to cool down. You can follow this simple recipe or use your own. Let's start heating your skillet. Once it's heated, start by browning the pork first to build deeper flavor. Browning brings out a natural sweetness. Then I add the chopped garlic and the chopped onions so they don't burn. Some people saute the aromatics first and that works too. Then add your soy sauce, water, sugar, oyster sauce, salt and pepper to taste. Simmer for 45 minutes until the pork becomes tender. Add a little slurry to thicken it and let it cool down. After the 4 to 6 hour ferment, we're almost ready to shape. But first, we add a little baking powder for extra softness. Don't forget, lightly moisten your hands or pat a little water onto the dough surface. This prevents the dough from drying and knead for 1 to 2 minutes to incorporate it. Next, I lightly spray the dough with a bit of oil to keep it moist and let the dough rest at least 10 minutes. Now, divide the dough into 8 pieces. Roll them into balls. Full honesty, I'm not the best at shaping Shiopao. You'll probably do this better than me, but don't worry, it still works and it still comes out soft and fluffy. After you roll into balls, flatten each one. Then add 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of your asado filling and seal it tightly. Here's a little bonus tip for you. You can get creative with your fillings like sweet red beans or angko, ube, curry flavor, or this one. And for this filling, we're just gonna use softened cream cheese and dark chocolate chips. Just add a spoonful of softened cream cheese and about a teaspoon of dark chocolate chips. Then seal it tightly. Place each bun on a parchment paper. Let them proof for 30 to 45 minutes until slightly puffy. Then steam for 15 minutes. And here it is, our homemade sourdough steam buns. Softer, fluffier, and much easier on the stomach. Even Filipino classics can be made better with sourdough. Try this now and enjoy your starchy comfort foods without feeling guilt. Thanks for watching! Yes, even this Filipino favorite Shiopao can be made healthier. Not stink!